Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, welcome back to our channel Flavors in Life. Today we are sharing one of the most beautiful places in Pakistan with you. It is called Naran. Naran is very famous. It is a tourist attraction point. Many tourists rush to visit this place throughout the year. Let me tell you about the location of Naran. Naran is a medium-sized town in Upper Kagan Valley in Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is the province of Pakistan. It is located 119 kilometers from Mansehra city at the altitude of 2409 meters. It is located about 65 kilometers away from Babusar Top. The beautiful scenery you're seeing now is snow. At the both sides there are glaciers of snow, or you can call mountains of snow, and they are dirty due to the water and of course dust. The weather of the Naran is 14 centigrade, not much high, and it can drop down below freezing point in winter. So the best time of the year to visit Naran is summer seasons, as the snow, and it is not snowing much, and the snow, as you know, blocks the roads. And here you are seeing Rahu Fish Point, and this is the water river flowing into the other one. Such a beautiful view. During summer months, the temperature of Naran can go up to 20 degrees centigrade, and as I told you, in winter it drops down to freezing point because of the heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall. Naran is such a beautiful place. It offers you sunline, beauty of flowing of river Kunhar, snow-capped mountain, a various bunch of crystal water lakes such as Lake Saiful Maluk, Saral Lake, Lulusar Lake, and Palaya Lake. Naran offers visitors a bunch of locations to visit. Naran is a popular tourist resort in Kagan Valley of Pakistan. It is the most beautiful, enchanting lake by the name of Saiful Maluk, which is almost 9 kilometers away from Naran. It can be reached by a jeep in 1 hour. Naran is a very nice place for trekking. In Naran, due to the bumpy road, mostly jeep is used there or any other heavy vehicle. But for Naran we need to pick up a specific vehicle to choose, especially for the winter seasons. Saiful Maluk lake is very beautiful place. It is very famous. Most tourists come from outer countries to visit Pakistan, its beauty. We can do hiking towards magnificent lakes in Naran Kahan, trekking from Naran to Lake Saiful Maluk, trekking from Lake Saiful Maluk to Anso Lake, fishing at the bank of Kunhar and Saiful Maluk. There are much more activities like this, and especially if we go out with family, as you know, the best time is spending with family. So we can do picnic there, and especially in summers, from most people from Karachi, Islamabad, like this, go to Naran to visit its cold temperature to get a bit relaxed after this hot days. Naran is 250 kilometers from far away from Islamabad. A 6-hour drive by car if we go. But we go there, we stay in some points. Oh, it wasn't so much bad. Like we stayed back from Narhan, like in Mansira for few time, like few hours. Then we went away in Naran. We enjoyed a lot. Journey to Nara and Naran Kahan and all surrounding areas are safe to travel, especially on 4x4 jeeps, and very enjoyable for travel duration. As I told you earlier as well, that jeeps are the most wagon like cars which are used in Naran. You can use Jeep Prado or any heavy cars like this, like Land Cruiser, pickups, or Vigo, you can say. The only feasible time to visit Naran is from May until October, since heavy snowfall generally causes road closures during other months. It is important to check prior to your trip whether the roads are open in the area, and landsliding can happen as well. Like you don't know when the snow will fall away from the mountains, or the snow can cause the mountains to break, like stones to break. So it is much safer to check the internet first, that when you want to go at that time of the year, is it safe to go there. Especially in winters, Naran is a very dangerous place. That is why we decided to go before, or it was our plan to go after the Eid. But as you know, we figured out, we searched through the internet and found out that Naran is very like dangerous place to visit in the winters after the October. So we decided to go now, and plus the weather was much pleasant there from near Islamabad. There is no problem going in small cars, but due to the bumpy roads, it can be a bit bumpy, so it is much safer in, heavy cars, as I told you earlier. Weather of Naran Kahan is least dependable, and it can change in a second. So always try to be choosing the clothes like kids, sweaters, caps, like warm woolen caps, gloves, mufflers, etc. with you. Even if you don't wear them to Naran, just keep in mind to keep these things with you in bag in case the weather changes after afternoon. So be careful about it. I'm guessing you all have must been gone to Murray. I even shared a video of Murray with that I went there with you guys. And Murray, it is like changes the throughout the year now. In winters it is snowing there, it is very cold, and in summers it is cold, it is warm. Here you can see jeeps are parked here and there, so I told you to bring jeeps here. In summer, as I was talking, the Murray gets hot, but Naran, it doesn't. I saw in this video earlier that how the snow was freeze there. We didn't stay there in the hotels because we came back home as soon as it was afternoon, like not afternoon, evening. So, but I've heard from family members of mine and others who didn't went with us but went before us, that the Pine Top Hotel is one of the most beautiful hotel, most finest hotel for family. Naran is a tourist attraction point, and you know how beautiful and luxury will the hotels will be there. So that was all about Naran. I will tell you more as we go on, but here you can see the forests, the trees. Naran and Kahan are two magnificent valleys. Abtabad and Mansara are the two major cities down the way to Naran Kahan. The beautiful Naran Kahan becomes the center of attraction in summers, where tourists from all over Pakistan and other countries seek to have Naran Kahan tour. Lush green valleys and sky-high mountains, along with the pure water of mighty Kunhar River, make the Naran Kahan tour irresistible. Naran Kahan valleys are magnificent in terms of their landscape, which consist of lush green meadows, high sky mountains, lakes with fresh water, and here are some other places as well: Shukran, Lalazar, and as I told you about the lakes earlier, Shukran is a hill station located on a green plateau around 65 kilometers away from Naran Valley. Shukran is the doorway to Naran Valley in Naran Kahan tour. Due to its location, Shukran is gaining high attraction in Naran Kahan tour. We didn't went to Saif al-Maluk Lake, but let me tell you about it. It is impossible for a tourist not to visit Lake Saif al-Maluk, but we didn't have time, so we skipped that out of our list. Very sad, but still. Lake Saif al-Maluk is the center point of attraction in Naran Kahan tour. It lies in the shadow of Malika Parbat, the highest peak in Naran Kahan, and at the altitude of 10577 feet, the Lake Saif al-Maluk is the most visited travel place. This alpine lake, surrounded by the white snowy mountains, make the fairy tales about it believable. And about the Babusar Top, it is the windy Babusar Top never fails to impress tourists at Naran Kahan tour. You can see the greenery here, everything. Babusar Top is the last place in Naran Kahan area with an elevation of 4,173 meters above sea level, and it is the main tourist attraction in Naran Valley. Above all, Babusar Top connects the Naran Valley with the Karakoram Expressway, making it accessible to Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Babusar is the most popular tourist destination on Naran Kahan tour. It is surrounded by many attractions such as green and white mountains, plains, and streams. Babusar Top is must-visit place in Naran Kahan tour. Nature lovers can enjoy the beautiful scenery of Naran like Kunhar River, and if you like fishing, Naran Kahan offers that too. So I hope you have liked the Naran Kahan, and the one who didn't visit it will surely visit it. So enjoy the rest of the video and take care. We will meet you in another amazing video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.